Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So today in this video we will look at some more tkinter wizards and geometry managers, and in the previous video we covered the button, check button and radio button wizards. So if you haven't watched the previous video then click on the I button, and before starting, if you find this video helpful then give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to the channel for more programming related content. So let's start coding. So let's start with the text wizard. So you can take text inputs from the user using this wizard, and you can also display text. So to use this wizard we have to create a new variable. Let's name this variable text, and in this we will write text, and in its parameter first we'll enter our main window, then the height of the text wizard, and then its width and .pack. So let's try this. Here you can see our text wizard. You can enter text in this, and then to get this text you have to use the .get function in this text variable. That we will look in our next video. So the next wizard that we are going to look is the label wizard. We use the label wizard to display some uneditable text. So let's create a new variable. Let's name it label, and in this we will write label, and in its parameter first we will write window, then text, and then .pack. Now let's try this. Now you can see the text, and this text is uneditable. So there are a few more wizards like menu and scroll bar, but that we will cover while creating GUI applications in the next video. Now we are going to look at the geometry managers of tkinter. We can place the wizards at different places in our window using the geometry managers. So there are three main geometry managers in tkinter: .pack, .grid and .place. So let's first look at the .pack method. So the .pack method mainly uses a packing algorithm to organize the wizards in a block. For example, I created 3 buttons here, and if I use the .pack method then it will place the wizards one below the other. So I added the .pack methods in all 3 of them, and let's try. So here you can see all the wizards are one below the other. So if you are using .pack method then we don't have many options to place the wizards. So next is the .grid method. This method splits the window into rows and columns. You can place the wizard at any place in the window, you just have to specify the row and column. So let's change the pack method to the grid, and in its parameter we have to specify the row and column. So here I entered the rows and columns, and let's try this. Now you can see all our wizards are placed as we mentioned here. You can also specify the width and height of the wizard using the column span and row span. Next is .place method. This method places the wizards according to the x and y coordinates. So to try this, let's change the .grid to .place, and in its parameter we have to specify the x and y coordinates. First let's write 50 and 90. So you can see I entered the coordinates. Now let's try this. So here you can see the wizards are placed according to the coordinates that we mentioned here, and we can also change the width and height of the wizard by specifying the value of width and height in its parameter. We have covered all our geometry managers, and there are still a few wizards left that we haven't covered in this video, but we will look at them in the next video while creating the GUI application. So that's it for today's video, and in the next video we'll start making a GUI application. So if you enjoyed this video then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more programming related content. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.